to Run Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this waffle maker plates for the Griddler by Cuisinart. So these are Belgian waffle plates. They're made of aluminum alloy with double layer. They're Teflon sprayed oil, all food grade material, non-stick coating for cooking, long-term durability, great giftable for Cuisinart Griddler, dishwasher safe, and you know, it's awesome. Their waffle plates are only fit Cuisinart Griddler's GR4N models, GR5B, Grid 8N series. So make sure before you order that it's your Griddler. If it's the older versions, it won't. So it'll only fit the newer versions. This is great, easy to install. You simply install the plates like this. Snaps right in. And the same thing with the top. Just like that. And snaps right in. So perfect. You make a nice, great, big size Belgian waffle. Super easy. My kids love it. Comes out perfect all the time. And it's great that you can just take it off if you want to use your other pans. And you know, for breakfast, you can do this. So this is great. I highly recommend this product. It's super easy to use, and I've used it so many times, and as you can see, it's still brand new. It comes also with a little booklet of instructions and also some nice recipes for you to as a bonus. So this is great. Again, highly recommend it, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.